Hello guys, sorry for not posting it in a posting a tutorial this whole year. It's been a while since I posted a tutorial. Actually, I only posted one tutorial, and this is an object animation tutorial. FLIPACLIP. So look for an app that looks like this. Click on it, or you have to download it on your device. I use iPad. Phone is good too, by the way. So first you'll go click on this plus button, and then you'll name animation. For me, I'll just name it test. Here, test. There we go. Then you click create project. Now you draw your assets for your character. It's okay if you use other colors, but I like using black and white because easiest. Here we go. There's Macaroon's little body. I do the set only, so it can animate the other layers. So we have layer 2, which might be her face layer. Like that. A tooth. This is a tooth, okay? This is a tooth. And then you can do another layer for the limbs. And you have to move it above the face layer. So make a walking animation. So first you have to make your arms out. Or if you have arms, sad face, you have to put the leg. Hold on. So for legs, if you have an armless character, you'll keep the leg out, and then you keep one leg out, like that. Then you copy layer and paste, and then you'll have to rearrange. Oops! What happened? No! Where's the big? Ah! Hold on. Then you have the leg like this. Ads. Then you move the leg back out, like so. It would look like this. And then, oops. It'll look like this. Hold on. The legs are different. You have to move the leg inwards. Like that. And then duplicate. And then do the same thing. Change legs. So this is a frame by frame animation. I don't really do this. I do like cleaning more. Like this. We'll work on that part later. So now you have to do the same thing over. And you have to do the other leg, facing out. And arm mounting, if you do arm mounting. I do. this. Is it? Copy and paste again. Yay. Again. Ah! Wrong brush. Nothing. Racing noises. So it looks like this when you click on play. She's like she's running. You copy and then paste again. Erase. Same process. Now you have to loop it back, copy, and paste. But don't copy fast the first frame because if it does that, it'll look so different. Paste. Look like this. Then we'll edit this. I'll get rid of this frame here. And this one. It works. Ooh, increase. Okay, now we'll duplicate this. So each frame will have 3 on each of each pose. Like this. Or if you work on like so normally people will do that for 20 frames, but then if you use 12 frames, you have 2, like this. Look at that. Now we'll work on that. Work on the 2x2 pose animation. You see there's a little glitch in here, so you look for the glitch. It looks it's right here. So you copy that frame, you paste. And see how it turns out. That. Easy walk animation. Now we'll work on the head bobbing. So due to these animations, you'll use the loop like that to work on head bobbing. That. And you have the same frame, line up. Some people don't use the bobbing system, like a light motion. I don't use a light motion, please. I'm sorry. But if you want to add like a light motion, you do the bobbing thing or tweening. The same thing. Continue. And like that. Now work on the face. So, many people would have the face the same expression the whole time. For me, I like the blinking part, if you know what I mean. So, you add this, and then you change expression. Normally when I do it, I'll continue blinking, or do a sliver. Or if you're like one of those animators, you'll do this. I don't like it at all. But let's see how it works, turns out. Or you can do this. You can shrink the eyes in the middle. And after that, you can change the frame over. And over. That. See? Now I'll do the same thing. I normally do shrinks like this. The blinking. That. I don't really like FLIPACLIP that much, you can tell. But this is like one of the free sources you could use for animation. This. Not really gut animation, if you can tell. But I normally like do this, tweening. But then there's also a frame by frame. So hope you enjoy this whole tutorial fiasco. Yay! I'll send a new tutorial every week if I have time. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Yoy!